Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Husnul Khuluq from Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Health Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Gombong. I will present my paper entitled The Impact of the COVID-19 Pandemic on Cardiovascular Diseases Research of Bibliometric Analysis. Introduction. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is a novel acute respiratory infectious disease caused by a new coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 with a rapid transmission, broad trend, and strong infectivity. According to studies, cardiovascular patients have a higher incidence of serious diseases and mortality than those who do not have cardiovascular diseases. COVID-19 patients with recently diagnosed cardiovascular diseases may have worse outcome than those with pre-existing cardiovascular diseases. Because of the global prevalence of cardiovascular diseases among the elderly, it is critical to pay closer attention to this infected patient with cardiovascular diseases. Bibliometric analysis is the statistical analysis of publication that can illustrate current research condition and qualitative and quantitative predict future trends. This method is currently widely used in hotspot analysis of various diseases, serving as reference for future studies on preventing and treating diseases. In lack of this, we conduct a comprehensive analysis of the content and external characteristics of COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases using bibliometric approach. Research methodology, the data. Scopus. The Scopus expanded database was used to identify all literature related to COVID-19 and cardiovascular published in languages. The retrieval search query was titled COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 and cardiovascular. The resulting bibliometric study included 1,931 articles. The documents were downloaded as CSV files with full record and reference, including the title, authors' names, abstract, key term, and more. Articles are most common short of document. Only a small percentage of the 1,131 documents represent other sort of work, such as chapter, conference papers, or short survey. Analytical tools. The RStudio package bibliometric. Bibliometric is a software for analyzing bibliographic data. The software supports descriptive and network analysis. PostViewer is another open source software based on the Post technology. Use the visualize bibliographic networks and knowledge maps. Microsoft Excel is for exporting and data description. Document types in the collection. Articles are the most common sort of document. Only small percentage of the 1,131 document represent other sort of work, such as a book chapter, conference paper, or short survey. The Ventec number of author per document is 7.3. This sample is when then used for bibliometric analysis. Country, organization, or co-authorship analysis. The author of the 1,131 papers on COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases came from 151 different countries, with the minimum number of documents set to 5 and the minimum number of citations set to 0.57. First viewer generated an overlay visualization map of country co-authors analysis, which included collaboration among countries, total citation for each country, and the average year of the papers. The map depicted the various levels of close collaboration among these 57 countries. When the performance of clinician co-authorship study on a total 5,371 organizations, when the minimum number of documents recorded for an organization was set at 5, all 5 organizations exceeded the requirement. Figure co-authorship analysis by country organization. The notes of the overlay visualization map of nation. Analysis of authorship. During COVID-19 pandemic, a total of 7,000 more authors contributed to the retrieved article and cardiovascular diseases. The first ranked document was published by Guo et al. In 2020. JAMA Cardiology Journal entitled Cardiovascular Implication of Fatal Outcome of Patient with Coronavirus Diseases or COVID with more than 2,000 total citation. Table top 10 ranking documents. Keyword co-occurrence analysis. By studying high-frequency keywords, we were able to visually display hotspots related to COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases. There were a number of 6,000 more keywords, among which 32 keywords with recurrence of more than 200 times were selected. The hotspot of fight COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases were demonstrated by an overlay visualization map scheduled by occurrence. The cluster analysis of keyword revealed that these 32 keywords can be classified into 4 groups. Figure 2 analysis of keyword co-occurrence. The size of node in the map was decided by the number of occurrence of its keywords. The length between nodes indicated how closely they were related. Conclusion: the study identified global research pattern of COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases, which may aid scientists in finding relevant collaborators as well as identifying existing hotspots and potential research areas.